To trim certain section of the clip in Adobe Premiere Pro, what you have to do is that you can just zoom in first of all, and then to cut certain section, what you have to do is use this eraser tool, as you can see here on the left hand side, or you can use the shortcut key C. Once that tool is selected, you will see that this cursor is changed to this eraser, and then you can just make the cut wherever you want to do. Just click it and you can see the cut is now done. Let us say I want to cut from this point until this point, so just make another cut. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to use the ripple delete or the shift delete. So before I tell you that why we need to use the shift delete, let me explain you how you can just use the delete button. So just go to the selection tool and then select that portion that you want to cut, and then if you press delete, you can notice that the empty space is remaining. So if I just Ctrl Z, and now I'm going to do shift delete. It is also called as a ripple delete. So if you do the shift delete, what happens is that the empty space is not left there. So what happens is that the remaining portion of the clip will override that empty space. So as you can see, the empty space is now gone, and instead of the empty space, the other clip took that area. That's it. Thanks for watching.